My name is Loeta Robles, and I'm a general dentist in Chico, California, and I've been practicing for 3.5 years. I originally started doing frenectomies in 2016 with the Diode laser that I had inherited from the practice that I purchased. And once I started doing more frenectomies, I realized how long it was taking me to complete the procedure with my diode. And then somebody introduced me to a CO2 laser, and I spoke to Peter, and I had already thought that I was going to purchase the CO2, but I still wanted to talk to representatives from LightScalpel to make sure this was a good decision for myself and my practice and my patients. And after much deliberation and talking to Peter, actually not much really, I purchased my laser, and then last year Kirk came to my practice and gave an orientation to my staff and myself, and we saw 11 patients that day, ages ranging from 2 months old to 75 years old. I was in love at first use. I noticed an immediate difference in the time difference that it took, in the appearance of the incision. Later on, I noticed the difference in the post-operative healing of my patients. My brother was one of the patients that I used that first day, and I used him as my guinea pig, and he gave me a good insight as far as I did it without any anesthesia on him. No topical, no local, and he said don't necessarily recommend it without at least topical, but he said the topical helps a lot, and so he gave me really good feedback. He said it wasn't as uncomfortable as one would think. Post-operatively, he had Mexican food that night, chips, salsa. Usually I don't recommend spicy foods afterwards, but I said to each their own. If it's not bothering you, then go for it. So I definitely noticed a big difference in post-operative healing.